And this is the latch I'm installing. My door, it's on top of the cabinet. So let's go for it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mark the floor of the cabinet. And then I'm going to mark the center. It's around here. So this piece has to be around here. So I ended up having to do a small box so it could fit well and close. And then you can see like how it latches. And that's how you install in a quick fashion way a slam latch. How to do a small box. You could put this a little bit higher if you want it. Just like it there. And yeah. So the idea here is I already have to put a strut here, so it opens, it keeps open, and then when I close it, just push it a bit, or I can just let it be, and then when I hit the road, just be sure to push everything and keep it locked and tight. Thanks.